So I was able to get a hold of a Weck Shield trocar closure device. They make other ones, Weck does, but this one is really good. You can see the EFX shield here. This one's really good when you are either trying to close someone who has a really deep layer of fat to get down to the fascia where the cone, which is usually about this length, would not fit through if your tunnel's angled and it's too long. The other place it's very handy because it's atraumatic, and let me show you the tip of it. This suture passer here never comes out free in the abdomen, so it's atraumatic as far as you never have to worry about poking an organ inside. So it's also good when you have an area that you don't have much space in the abdomen, either because the patient doesn't have much room because they have a lot of internal fat, or because the patient's had a tummy tuck and doesn't have much space inside, or because the patient's waking up and getting light so there's not as much space inside, or if the bowel is dilated and it's near the edge there, you don't have much space and you have the danger of hitting it. This is very good for that. The other nice thing about this is that you don't have to go fishing for that second side of the suture that's hanging free, because it's not hanging free. It's a little bit trickier to learn how to use, so it takes a little bit of practice, but in these certain circumstances that I talked about, it's really very handy.